How can we make what feels like constant change less exhausting and more empowering for those involved? Here are 5 ways to lead in an era of constant change. Inspire through purpose. As a leader, it is crucial to communicate a clear vision and sense of purpose to your team, which can serve as a guiding light during uncertain times. By leading with purpose, you can motivate your team to embrace change, adapt quickly, and work together towards a common goal. Go all in. Make change not just about cost cutting but about innovation, people development, and all-round growth. Enable capabilities to succeed during transformation. Equip your team with the necessary tools, resources, and skills to navigate change successfully. Install a culture of continuous learning. As a leader, it is important to provide continuous learning and development opportunities to help your team build resilience, increase agility, and embrace change with confidence. It helps create a culture of continuous improvement, which will empower your team to thrive in a constantly changing environment. Inclusive leadership. Ensure all team members feel valued and included in the process. Actively seek diverse perspectives and ideas, and to create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and opinions. By embracing inclusivity, you can build a stronger team that is better equipped to handle change, as well as increase employee engagement and retention. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more upcoming training videos.